Hello everyone, you welcome back to Devon's Chess, and today I've come back with another interesting chess endgame puzzle, and this is white to move and mate black in 2 moves. But before we get into the puzzle, I want to first show you the direction of the pawns. So these black pawns are going in this direction, while this white pawn is going in that direction. You will need that while trying to solve the puzzle. So yeah, it is white to move and mate black in 2 moves. But before we solve it together, I want you guys to first try it out by yourselves. So if you don't mind, pause the video, try to solve it, and then come back when you found it. Good luck. Alright, so did you find that 2 moves that white has to move to mate black? Please let us know in the comment section what you found. Don't mind whether what you found is wrong. It could be wrong, but carrying a very nice variation that we have not talked about in the video. Okay, so let's try to solve it together. First and foremost, someone could think of playing queen c4. You check the king, but then the black king has an escape, and black can go to e5, and after black goes to e5, you can't mate it, right? So black can always escape anywhere else. So that's not a solution for the puzzle. And then someone could think of d2, but after d2, black can escape and you can't mate it in the next move, whatever you try to do. So that's also not working out for us. And then someone could think of trying to block the king from actually going anywhere else, because now this is blocked and also this is blocked. So black is left with only one move, and that's the pawn move. But the problem is, after black plays this, if you try to capture, black can still escape, and those are 2 moves without a mate for white, right? And if you try to check using the knight, still black has an escape. Or you could check here, but then that's a mate in 2, that's a mate in 3, not a mate in 2. Remember, we are looking for a mate in 2 moves. So that's also not working out for us. Okay, so we are left with one possible move, because if you try to play a king move, that's definitely not working out for us. Black can escape. So we are going to try to play our pawn to f4. Remember, it's the first pawn move, so it can also move 2 pieces, right? It can jump 2 squares. So when you play pawn h4, black can reply with 2 moves. Remember, he's only left with moving the pawn, because this square is captured, but it's already protected. Okay, can I say protected? No, it's not protected. It is threatened by that pawn, right? So black can't move the king anywhere. Black is only left to move this pawn, and black can also move this pawn here. So let's try to see if black does any of the two. If black moves this pawn here, then this is mate. Black can't go anywhere, right? And if black tries to play an impasser, if we capture this pawn, it's still mate. So whatever black tries to do after we play pawn h4, we mate black. So that's definitely the move we are looking for, because it leads us to a mate in 2. Help us know if you found it. Let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to like the video and also subscribe. It means a lot to us. Let's grow the channel. Until next video, have a good day.